How to buy SHREK token. So before we start, this is not much advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and you increased by 1000% in less than 4 hours. As you can see, the liquidity are unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token trending number 1 in this transaction. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token on this and open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token on this. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy SHREK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.